Good morning, everybody. Today I have Google, and it's right here. And Google is down all the way. When we dropped off at that 1195 area up here, we're hitting the lows right now. And the lows on Google as we speak are 1156.41. The time standard is the following. Time is 10:46 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. What I will just tell you right now is that we're going to see if we can hold the support level down here at 1155. You can see where these trend lines go, coming right down, and they point right through there. Then there's a longer term one from the highs over here, and you come all the way down there, and there's that arrow. Now, this morning when we had the breakdown, you would have took the high right here, which was 1198. It comes across where that was a resistance the other day. You could see that trend line. You could see that that arrow is pointing right there at about 1187. The one down here is coming off this big downside bar the other day from its high, and it's coming right down in the channel right there, which was at 1175. Like I said, these things are going to get oversold. There will be bounces off of the bottom, but they're done for an intraday level only. And we will continue to update. If we have any new lower lows again, we'll update and we'll let our traders know around the world why it's nice to be able to buy when the call side gets so deflated now. That's what it's about. It's about the calls that are deflated, not the puts. So there's the big breakdown. You can see the complete chart and whatnot. Once again, we're going to be looking at these intraday trades and how everything is playing out like we said it would. The Dow was down 540 points. We're getting a little bit of bounce right now. So good luck to everybody. Just remember one thing, free 5-day trial. Get it now. Get it now.